Nenza magwinya toilet.
Yes. It's wrong.
I understand ukashiwe sisambela ningazuvesa ubuso bakho. Come here. Sitela. You're doing fat cooks in a toilet when? Huh? You're doing amagwinya toilet. No, you're doing amagwinya toilet. Imapa?
There's a toilet.
Go stand there.
Yeah.
Go stand there. Go stand there so that I can take a photo of you. You're doing amagwinya toilet. Move this side. So that I can show toilet. The people must know what you're doing. Fat cooks eat. Sitele wena ndikufuna wena. You doing ama-fat cooks at toilet? Yeah? Is this allowed? Can you do this in your country when? Can you do this in your country? I'm asking you. Can you do this in your country? Ela. Don't make me cross again. Can you do this in your country? Can you do fat cooks in a toilet in your country? Yeah? In your country, you will do fat cooks in a toilet. Yeah?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Guys, emhlolo awuphele South Africa. Naku kutholakala eMdiya lana. Mdiya wenda amafeti e-toilet. So lesimbone mayiqala video bathe mabambuda wavile washo ukuthi mina ngiqashiwe bathe sesikhoshela eceleni ubiti boss yakho la uyafika nangiyabhodi njengoba sembona weMdiya bayambuta ukuthi hayibo why nende mafete toilet uyathula kakhulu nokuphendula bathi into lefana nalena ningayenda yini ungayenda like in your own country uyathula because he knows very well ukuthi ngeke baze bayeni into lefana nale yet la South Africa benda kudla ema toilet mafeti guys nawo mafeti asetiko nali toilet silibonile toilet khona la kwento khona mafeti kusho ukuthi kungenwa kulolo leya toilet kukakwe ngala kuba kuva kwento amafeti kunuke guys yabona abantu abatosibulala la South Africa mo foreigner and abatosibulala basicethe because ngisho kuthiwa bayakhutwa they just don't listen. They don't wanna go home abafuni ngisho nokulalela bende into ngendlela le right. Nangokuthi they know ukuthi akekho umuntu ofika kade inspector ukuthi into tendiwa kahle kudla bathengisa kudla loku right kudla kwenu nikwentela kuphi baphilela onje batendela la South Africa bathi danasela they know ukuthi no one checks on them so batendela into ngendlela obathanza ngakhona ngisho bona bawadlela amafeti lawa labawathengisela abantu ngemalanga bayatitika ongemafeti lento emasimbeni. This really needs to be taken serious guys. Lokhu kufanele onkosi yami kuthathe serious because yini yona le. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. So goodbye.